She literally cannot get out. You have to get out the same way you got in.
I'm getting your hips. I'm getting your hips this way. Alright? There you can. Push it. It's gonna hurt, but push.
How'd you get in? And first. You're getting first. Oh shit, don't do it. There's the foot. How'd you get in there? Get in the same way you got out. Maybe if you pee, it'll help slide out.
Wait. Alright, come on. Wait. Alright? There you can. Push it. It's gonna hurt, but push.
How'd you get in? And first. You're getting first. Oh shit, don't do it. So it's like, okay.
I'll take that chat.
How'd you get in there? Get in the same way you got out. Maybe if you... Dude, we are so YouTube and that shit. Pick your butt up.
I cannot think when I cannot breathe.
Hey, give me a hand.
I cannot breathe.
Give me a hand. Give me a hand.
It's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt.
No, what you gotta do is put your head back in there. Put your head back in there. Put your head back in. All right, now scoot your butt up over the rim.
It's not that easy.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Give me a hand. This is my hand. I'm trying to help you out.
You have to rotate.
Yes, it's gonna hurt.
All right, so here, come here. Yeah, you gotta lift your butt up. Lift your ass. Put your legs down. Put your legs down. John, hey, he's gonna sing to me. He's gonna pick your butt up. Listen to me. All you gotta do, keep your legs down. Lift your ass up. Lift your ass up. Hey, put your knees on the other side, Toots. No, you want your knees on the outside.
Get myself out.
Alright, fuck it. So we're just gonna have a long-ass YouTube video. That's probably not how you're gonna get out, but I mean, maybe if you fall forward.
I cannot breathe.
Fall forward.
Breathe for a second. Back the fuck up. Back up.
Fall forward. Fall forward.
Alright, that's not gonna work.
No, lay down, let John pick your ass up, and pull it on the other side, alright? Pick your ass up and pull it on the other side, John. Ta-da! That's everywhere!